Episode 5. That's to another video. It's episode 5, twin. We will be building a drywall. We got 2x4x8. We got the drywall right here. And we got a 2x4x12, 2x4x10.
They tell me got a kid, huh? Roll it on TikTok. You ain't talking about no guap. Fuck nigga kick rocks. You get no response. Fucking on all these thugs. The fuck I gotta pick for? Stop playing.
Y'all can see we got everything locked and loaded, baby.
It's pretty nice wood.
Yeah.
Move it.
Got the drywall in. Got the lumber in. This is what we finna build right here. Finna build this wall right here. Y'all see? Y'all see it? Got all the marks.
That's 48.
Drywall. We just started drywall today. Probably gonna be on this maybe all week. I don't know, but we got them.
Hold it up, push it up against it, make sure it's...
Y'all boys can see. Them boys are trying to head. Them boys is on clean though. They clean though. But that's what I was looking like now. We coming through. We coming through with it. We coming through with it, man. Feel me? Finna put our second underboard piece on right here. Then we'll cut these up right here and have a pyramid shaped base. Boy got the screws in that joint. Boy got the we just made marks on our drywall. Oh! The drywall almost froze. It almost collapsed. It almost collapsed. Oh! The drywall. It almost collapsed. It almost collapsed, bro. Collapsed. I call him Mini-Me.
They tell me got a kid, huh? Roll it on TikTok. You ain't talking about no guap. Fuck nigga kick rocks. You get no response. Fucking on all these thugs. The fuck I gotta pick for? Stop playing for your head, be buzzed. Thought a fuck nigga said something. Pop.
Y'all can see putting in the drywall screws. Don't never go too deep. Never too deep. Last one. And that is how you put in drywall screws. Never go too deep. As y'all boys can see, got the urinal here. Urinal on top of this drywall, baby.